Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better looking option to the basic factory supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. Today we'll be working on this 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Here we have the 2 rail tie-downs with plates and included hardware, as well as the 2 bed tie-downs with included hardware. Some tools required for this job would be a ratchet or a nice impact like we have pictured here, a T40 Torx bit to remove the factory hardware, and a 6mm or H6 bit to put on the new hardware. A knife or utility blade may be needed as well to cut through some of the bed lining if your truck is equipped. First, we locate the 2 tie-down anchors that are at the front of the bed. Here we are using a ratchet to break them loose, but an impact is fine too. Now grab the Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchor, hand thread the bolts first, then tighten them up, and then they can be torqued to 20 foot-pounds. And they are looking sharp. Repeat the same process for the other side. Next, we'll move on to the rail. Remove the end cap and get the rail tie-down anchor ready. There is a plate that will need to be installed by threading the included hardware on, and the notch will face towards the tie-down or outwards. Leave this loose and with plenty of play in it so that it can slide onto the rail and then be tightened. Once the tie-down anchor is in a preferred spot, it can be tightened down and it's ready to go. Other accessories and the end cap can now be reinstalled. Here's a quick demonstration of how tie-down straps can be used with these tie-down anchors. For a complete listing of bed tie-down anchors and more information, visit BilletTie-Downs.com. Thank you for watching.